This I just don't understand. I mean, it's like they put zip ties around the stick, but why? What purpose does it serve? Look at it. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. So, my litter contest. So what happened was I turned the camera on, I was filming the drawing part, but for some reason it didn't record. So, I don't have that footage anymore, but I'm not going to redo it because I already picked the winner. And it really wouldn't be fair. So I'm going to go ahead and say John, the Mi Woodsman, is winner of the grill. So legs come down like this. So you win it, brother. It's all yours. I think I have your address. If not, I'll send you a message and have you give it to me. Now, because of that, there was one gentleman's video who, even though his name didn't pop up, random.org, I basically numbered everybody. I'm going to send him one anyway. That's Kevin's Adventures. Because his video was so damn entertaining that I couldn't see. I'm pulling this right out of my personal collection and I'm going to send this to you, brother. Because your video was awesome. The editing was great. I couldn't see not sending you one. So, and don't worry, I still have one of my own. So, yeah, I brought 3 of these out. So, I still have my own plus the original. Actually, I have 2 versions of the original, and then I have one for the Mi Woodsman and one for Kevin's Adventures. So, there we go. Now, I will say, I didn't get a single photograph emailed to me for the contest entry. Not a one. So I don't have any video, I don't have any photos to throw in here. I was really disappointed. I mean, a couple of people video, which I'm going to give them all props. Jackie Blanchard posted a video. She said she didn't really consider it an entry because she didn't. But I gave her a number. I gave her 2 entries anyway. But Mi Woodsman came up, so I wish I had the footage, but somehow it didn't record it. But maybe I'll try to do some kind of consolation prize. Maybe I'll send her a cup of coffee or something. This is thanks for the video and the shout out. So I don't have any photos to show. I do have a big pile of trash I can show you that I cleaned up right when I got here, so I'm going to have to haul all that back. Disgusting. What else I got here? Oh, that's it. So there you go, brother. Thank you to everybody who made nice comments about the contest and submitted videos. I appreciate it. All the videos will be on the playlist, which I will link below this one. And I highly recommend checking out Kevin's Adventures because the video was really entertaining. He did a really good job editing, so I wish I had one for everybody, but I don't make them. So, as I'm cleaning up my mess. So as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support over the months and years. I'm almost at 800 videos. It's crazy. 800. Maybe only about 3 are good. I'm just kidding, but alright. Peace. See ya.